You park your bike, heart pounding, city thieves lurk everywhere. A shadowy figure approaches, glancing around, reaching for your ride. You freeze, imagining your precious bike gone forever. But wait, suddenly a piercing 113 dB alarm erupts. The thief jumps back, startled by the deafening siren. Confused? It's not magic, it's the Wsdcam bike alarm. With 7 sensitivity levels and 3 volume modes, you're in control. Rain? No worries, IP50 waterproof keeps your security strong. Lost in a crowded lot? Hit the remote, your bike rings out. Compact, rugged, and battery-saving, true peace of mind. Don't risk it. Protect your ride with Wsdcam. Get yours now!